Hello, it's Sarah from TravelLiveLearn.com here. I'm one half of the team. Cooper is the other half and he's behind the camera today. Now this year we are heading off on a travel adventure using trusted house sitters for most of our accommodation. But the best part about this little deal is that we get to look after dogs and other animals along the way. If you're like us and you're passionate about pets and travel, then Trusted House Sitters might just be the ticket for you. And we want to show you exactly how we've secured so many sits over 6 months so you can follow in our footsteps. This year we started gathering our experience on Trusted House Sitters in London, where we were living at the time, and we've written a blog all about this and how we got started. We'll paste the link below. It's probably a good place for you to start. Getting started with house sitting. Step 1. You need to decide whether you're an animal person or not and what kind of sits you'd like. Being dog people, having sits with dogs is a no-brainer for Cooper and I, so they're mostly the ones that we apply for. If you're not an animal person, apply for the house-only sits, but if you like cats, horses or lizards, keep an eye out for those sits as well. The main thing is that you commit to sits that you are comfortable with. Step 2, create a meaningful profile and remember that first impressions definitely count. Now in your profile, you should include all your relevant experience. For us, we've looked after older dogs and big dogs, so we include that in our profile. We've got plenty of house sitting experience around the world, so we also included that. It's important that you put all of your background in and what you're familiar with so that future house sits know whether you're a good fit or not. Step 3, detach from the outcome. Now this is an important step that Cooper and I learnt on our journey. It basically means that we applied for many sits, but we didn't get hung up on where we got asked to sit. We were open to new experiences, happy to explore new places. So just put your hand up for places that are in the region that you're interested in, say England, and for the dates that fit you, and then see what comes up and who comes back answering yes, that they would love you to come and sit for them. Step 4 to securing your perfect house sit is to routinely check emails. Now for Trusted House Sitters, which is the service that we use, they send out about 2 emails a day. So we keep an eye out for these emails and we scour the listings for the perfect dates for us. But we also keep an eye on the new listings on the website. Our fundamental tip here is to be diligent and swift. Step 5 in securing a house sit is your application. Get it in as quickly as you can. Now many of these sits have anywhere up to 50 applications and most of those are really good applications, so you want to be in there first. So it goes back to the step before, keep an eye on the alerts, apply as soon as you can and keep your communication clear and relevant to the house sit that you're applying for, just as you would if you're applying for a job. Trusted house sitting tip 6. Keep your communication clear. Now you want to stay in touch with the homeowners and pet owners while they're away. After all, you're probably looking after one of their fur babies or a lizard or a horse or something like that. Regardless, they love their animals, everyone does, but they also want to know how their house is going, so stay in touch. Some homeowners love photos and videos like quite frequently during the day, others are happy with an update, say once every 1 or 2 days. So gauge what you think your owner likes and just stay in touch with them and let them know that everything's okay. Remember, gratitude is everything. Show gratitude to your homeowners and to the pets you've looked after by leaving some treats, maybe a thank you card, flowers, chocolates. Let them know you're grateful for the opportunity to have been there, to have seen a new place and to have got to know them. Small gestures go a long way, and you never know, if you've loved your sit, they might invite you back for a second one. We've been lucky enough to have that opportunity too. So stay in touch with your owners, show some gratitude, and we'll leave all the tips we can think of in the links below. If you've got anything to add, we'd love to hear from you. Drop us a line in the comments.